Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Upendra Gargatte, Associate Professor, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. I am going to discuss tablet coating. Learning outcomes. After completion of this video tutorial, learner will be able to define tablet coating, list objectives of tablet coating, differentiate between uncoated tablet and coated tablet, describe types of tablet coatings, list techniques of tablet coatings, discuss prerequisites for tablet coating, and describe composition for tablet coating. Now see the definition of tablet coating. Tablet coating is a process of application of coating composition on a moving bed of tablets with the concurrent use of heated air to facilitate evaporation of solvent. By this definition, we understand that it is a simple process of application of coating composition on tablet surfaces. Tablet coating is a science and art. Selecting suitable coating composition is a science, and applying this composition on tablet bed is an art. Coating pan is simple pan in which tablets are put into it for coating purpose. There are variety of coating pans available in a market. They have different capacities. Baffles are the integrated part of coating pan. Baffles facilitates the mixing of tablet inside the coating pan. Tablet bed is the weight of tablet put into the coating pan for coating purpose. Approximately the weight of tablet equal to the working capacity of the coating pan is put into the coating pan. As the tablets are mixing inside the pan, the tablet surfaces get exposed continuously to the coating solution and tablets get coated. Coating composition and its application are the important parts in the tablet coating. A polymer solution is continuously applied on a tablet bed. Dear learners, in our previous part of this video, we have seen and studied definition of tablet coating and introductory part of tablet coating. Now think over this. What are the objectives of tablet coating? Pause the video for a while and note down the objectives of tablet coating. After finishing this, play the video and guess the answer. Yes, correct. You have guessed many objectives. I have mentioned here objectives of tablet coating: to mask the taste, odor, or color of a drug, to provide physical and chemical protection to the drug, to modify release of a drug from the tablet, to protect the drug from the gastric environment of the stomach with an acid resistance enteric coating, to incorporate another drug or formula adjuvant in the coating to avoid chemical incompatibilities, and to improve the pharmaceutical elegance. Differentiation between uncoated and coated tablet. On the basis of following points, learner can differentiate between uncoated and coated tablet. Number 1. Coated tablets are smooth and glossy in appearance. Number 2. Weight of coated tablet is more than corresponding uncoated tablet. Number 3. Coated tablets may be colored. Number 4. Usually round in shape with no bisect on the surface. In most cases, coating process is the last step in the tablet production. The successful application of the coating solution to a tablet provides the visual characteristics for the product. Thus, the quality of the product may be judged on the basis of this final production step. The type of process chosen depends on the type of coating that is to be applied, the durability of the tablet core, and the economics of the process. There are three types of tablet coating. Number one, sugar coating. This is the process of application of glossing syrups on tablet surface. The number of layers of glossing syrups are applied, and at the end it is observed that the tablet gain weight may be up to 50%. There are different steps involved in sugar coating: whites, sealing, subcoating, syruping, finishing, and polishing. Sugar coating process involves a large time to complete. This needs a skilled person in the production. Number 2 is film coating. In film coating, there is application of non-enteric polymer solutions on tablet surface. This is applied either by pan spraying or by pan pouring. The third type is enteric coating, in which application of enteric coating polymer solution is applied on tablet surface. If you see the difference between sugar coating and film coating or enteric coating, then it is observed that in sugar coating there is a maximum weight gain by tablet. However, in case of film coating and enteric coating, the weight gain is minimum. There are two techniques of tablet coating: pan pour technique and pan spray technique. Pan pour methods have been used for many years for film coating. Coating compositions used in pan pour methods were usually too viscous to be sprayed effectively. Therefore, pouring was the technique. This method is relatively slow and relies heavily on the skill and technique of the operator to balance the steps. Tablets that are film coated by pan pour process almost always require additional drying. Aqueous based film coatings are not suitable for this method. Pan spray technique is one in which coating composition is sprayed on tablet bed with the help of spraying instrument. Therefore, coating composition is likely to get spread evenly on tablet bed. Pan spray technique has several advantages over pan pour technique. The biggest advantage include the uniformity in coating and time required for coating. The great uniformity of coating is achieved in pan spray technique. There are three components involved in tablet coating. Number one is tablet properties. Tablets that are to be coated must possess the proper physical characteristics. In the coating process, the tablets roll in coating pan or cascade in the airstream in the coater as the coating composition is applied. Therefore, to tolerate the intense attrition of tablets which are striking on the other tablets and on the walls of the coating equipment, the tablets must be resistant to abrasion and attrition. Tablet surfaces that are brittle are softened in presence of heat and coating composition. Film coating adheres to all exposed surfaces of tablets so that any surface imperfections is coated and not eliminated. In addition to this, the physical shape of the tablet is important. When coating composition is applied to a batch of tablets in coating pan, the tablet surfaces become covered with a tacky polymeric films. Therefore, the tablet dries. The applied coating changes from a sticky liquid to a tacky semi-solid material. While doing the cascading in coating pan, the ideal shape of the tablet is spherical. The other shapes of tablets are not so suitable for coating. Number two is coating process. Coating process can be discussed with the following 4 points: coating equipment, parameters of coating process, facility and ancillary equipment, and automation in coating processes. Number 3 component is coating compositions. This coating composition varies with the type of coating, whether it is sugar coating, film coating, or enteric coating. Polymer is a main component in coating composition. There are two types of polymers: non-enteric film forming polymers and enteric film forming polymers. Now see about non-enteric film forming polymers. The examples are HPMC, MHEC, ethyl cellulose, HPC, povidone, sodium CMC, and Udrazit G. Enteric film forming polymers include cellulose acetate phthalate, Udrazit L and S, polyvinyl acetate phthalate, etc. Solvents mainly include water, alcohol, acetone, and ketone. Plasticizers play important role in coating composition. The examples of plasticizers are propylene glycol, glycerin, PEG, triethyl citrate, etc. Colorants include anthocyanin, flavonoids, carotenoids, carminic acid, etc. Opacifiers are also added in coating composition. Titanium dioxide is the most widely used opacifier. However, aluminum silicate and talc may be used. Some miscellaneous ingredients may be used: flavors, sweeteners, surfactants, antioxidants, and antimicrobials.
Therefore, in this video, we have learned definition of tablet coating, objectives of tablet coating, difference between uncoated tablet and coated tablet, types of tablet coatings, techniques of tablet coatings, components involved in tablet coating, and typical composition for tablet coating. Thank you for patience listening. Happy learning.